Welcome to this video on delegating actions inside of ScriptRunner. To begin this process, we will go to the Delegations menu on the left-hand side and click Create. There are several built-in roles that you can choose from. We'll be using Service Desk. This will be the display name inside of ScriptRunner for the group that we are delegating this to. We will be using Active Directory as our source of the group information. You can input any of these options for the group name. This is just the display name of my help desk team, and that is the domain that we are checking against. We'll validate. Upon successful validation, the SID value will be marked down here underneath the claim value. And this is where we can select the actions we wish to delegate. If you control and click, you can highlight multiples at the same time. We have selected these 3 tasks for delegating to our help desk team. Delegating these actions in this menu is not the only way that you can do so. You can also do this through the Actions menu. From the Actions menu, you can see all of your previously delegated tasks. They will be designated with the green arrow. You can also delegate additional tasks here to all of your different roles that you have set up. From the Actions menu, we can actually configure several different options for our delegated tasks. For this script in particular, let's delegate that to our help desk team by clicking the Delegate button. We can require a reason in case we want to know why this user is running this action. We could change the color. And here is where we will affect the action and make this available to a certain delegated group. In this case, I want my help desk admins to be able to see this. Let's log in as our help desk user and check out how this actually looks. To access the delegated page for those end users that you've given the role to, you do navigate to your ScriptRunner server /ScriptRunner/delegate. Log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, we could see the 4 actions we did delegate to this help desk team. We can see the color difference that we configured for the example script. Anything that we did mark as a tag, we have these all available as options to search for once this gets built out and more fully fleshed out. You can configure some of your favorites as a delegated user. And most importantly, we can run the tasks right here. As you can see, the delegated task was able to be run by my help desk admin user, and they were limited to the scope that I set during those delegated configuration options. I hope this has been a good walkthrough on how you can configure delegated roles for your actions inside of ScriptRunner. Thanks.